Klesch-2 dual flashlight, its kit, characteristics and features. My name is Anastasia and welcome to Zenitco in English. Klesch-2 dual flashlight is a flashlight that operates in two ranges, infrared and visible. In the previous video I was talking about Perst 4 dual laser, and I ended that video by promising you that I will tell you about its operation modes on its own and together with Klesch-2. But during the week I've got a lot of questions about features of Klesch-2 flashlight, so I decided that it would be more correct to tell you first about Klesch-2 and then move to the combination, because actually those two products, they are great on their own, but they were actually planned to be used simultaneously. They're like hammer and sickle, good on their own, awesome together. Here I have the kit of Klesch-2 flashlight. Let's see what's inside. The manual. Here we have a tactical switch KV5P. It has a safety lock to eliminate the possibility of accidental pressing the button, the switch that controls brightness, and it can be mounted to Picatinny rail. Also we have a mount B9AK. On this particular rifle I didn't use that, I mounted it directly to the handguard, but if you need to move a flashlight a bit forward and a bit closer to the barrel, it's a great option. And this hole here, it is specially designed for the connector to make it more tight and to make the construction more reliable and not to break it. Here is a light filter. It is for infrared mode to eliminate the red dot. You can use it, you can not use it, it's up to you. The metal cylinder, I love its design, it's just great. The flashlight is inside. Here is it. I've got questions about its weight, so let's weight it. I brought the device, I turn it on. It's in grams, so I'll write somewhere on the screen how much is that in ounces. It is 209 grams. I might as well weight the mount. It is 48 grams. And the switch, 56 grams. Let's see the flashlight closer. Here we have Klesch-2 flashlight. I take off the protective cap, like this. Here we have letters. This letter is Russian B, it is for белый, that means white. It is for visible mode, so when I turn it on, here I have it in visible mode. On the other side, it is written IK, infrared, for infrared mode. To switch between modes, I press those buttons. Now it is turned in white mode, so this button is soft, and the infrared mode is turned off, that's why this button is tight. To move to infrared mode, I press from the side of infrared mode. Now it is in infrared mode. I turn it on, and I don't see it with my naked eye, but I know that this mode is turned on because the indicator works. It turns blue when the flashlight is in infrared mode, and when it is in, for example, I move it back to the white mode, the indicator turns red in this situation. Klesch-2 is 500 lumens in the maximum brightness modes. So let's see those modes. First of all, stroboscope mode. To turn it on, I press the button twice. The stroboscope. Then it has 5 levels of brightness. I turn the flashlight on, and then I press the button and keep pressing it, and the levels of brightness change. And for example, if I want to keep this brightness, I stop pressing the button, and this mode is saved. If I turn the flashlight off and I turn it on, the same brightness is on. If I want to move to the maximum brightness quickly, I press it twice and it is in the maximum brightness. I can do the same by the tactical switch. To put it in, I need to take off this plug and use the tactical switch. Besides the tactical switch from the kit, another switch option is available for Klesch-2 flashlight. It is KV4/2 switch that is designed to combine Klesch-2 with Pierced 4 aiming laser to make 4 in 2. In this combination we will have visible flashlight, infrared flashlight, visible laser and infrared laser. So all in two, very good option. Please note here that this switch is sold separately, it is not in the kit, and it is designed to combine Klesch-2 and Pierced 4 Generation 2. So it does not work with Pierced 4 Generation 1, but at the moment we plan to design some more switches to combine it also with old versions of Pierced 2 and with some other flashlights. Klesch-2 flashlight can be bought in our partner stores. I will leave some links below the video, so check them out. And in the next episode I will speak about this combination and about operation modes. So see you in the next video. Goodbye!